In today's globalized workplace, effective communication is crucial. Let's meet our team members. So first is John American, Project Manager. Second is Jake, Iranian Software Engineer. Third is Ramesh, Indian Designer. And the last is Paul, Filipino Marketing Specialist. I need this project done by Friday. Can you all confirm? Yes, of course. Yes, I'll try my best. I got it. Where's the project report? Still working on it. I didn't want to rush and compromise the quality. But I thought you understand the deadline. In my culture, quality is prioritized over the deadline. I didn't want to disappoint you with the subpar report. Jake, I appreciate your attention to detail. However, deadlines are crucial. In our team, can we find the balance between quality and timeliness? I understand now. In the future, I'll clarify expectation and prioritize deadlines while maintaining quality. That's great. Let's work together to ensure successful project completion. Cultural differences can lead to misunderstanding. By recognizing and respecting these differences, we can improve communication and teamwork. Let's strive to bridge cultural gaps and communicate effectively in our diverse workplace.